So today I've got the 2024 Toyota GR Sport RAV4 in again. You'll see I looked at a grey one. This is one of the other three colours you can get. This is Obsidian blue. I've not seen one before. And you know what happens when something catches my eye? I take you on a 4K walk to have a look. So it was mainly the colour today on this. What do you reckon of the blue? Because this is free on the GR, so you're only paying $49 for this, because there's a couple of other colours like pearl white or the red. I think I've shown you the red one before that you have to pay a premium for. But this colour's free. And I mean, come on, that looks quite good, doesn't it? They do 4 colours on this which are free. So this is one of them, which is, I'm not really usually a fan of blue, but that's kind of like a real, I don't know if that's picking it up. It's got like a real purple flick in it on the paint. So you get silver, grey, which I've shown you, like I said, this blue or black. I've not actually seen one of these in all black. That'd be actually quite nice because it will be completely blacked out. I do like with it all blacked out though. I think that's really nice. I've mentioned it before, they've lightened the wheels on this and made them more rigid, but also sports tuned the suspension so you get less body roll. And these are a rocket ship. Let's have a quick look outside in the daylight, because look at that. You'll notice I like to research things before I spend my money. And this is one of the things I've been looking at. So I thought you'd appreciate it and I'll take you with me on a 4K. So what do you reckon? That colour is nice, isn't it? But yeah, that's what it looks like outside. I think that is, for free, I think that's a strong colour for free, isn't it? Yes, you'll get the silvers and your standard like greys and stuff, but you know, that's almost got like a fluorescent flip tone in it, isn't it? Mentioned it before, mine's got the old school lights, which have got like a halo around. Do I like them? I'm not sure. And obviously I like the fact that they've lightened the wheels, made them more rigid, and sports tuned the suspension, so these handle so well now, which when you're doing 0 to 60 in sub 6 seconds is probably a good thing. Let's look at the seats outside. Very plush trim. It's got like a Alcantara sports seat, all pretty much the same as mine. You've got like the sports mode, you've got wireless charging, which mine hasn't got. You've got a very nice infotainment, slightly bigger than mine. They could have gone to the edges though, couldn't they? They could have made it slightly bigger. So I just thought I'd show you the infotainment system in the older RAV. This is what it looked like before they upgraded it to that new one. So you'll see what I mean. It's a little bit smaller, it's a little bit narrower, but does the job, it's all good. This one doesn't have 360, I don't think, no. So this one's got the standard reversing camera, which, I mean, come on, look at that, that's pretty good. Mine's got 360, this isn't actually my vehicle, but that's exactly the same as mine. You've got auto dimming mirrors, SOS button where you press that and it calls emergency services, pinpoints your location. This one doesn't have a pan roof. Heated steering wheel, standard in these, which is very nice steering wheel, actually very plush. Electric seats. Let's go into the back. I said I've used mine for a van before. I've had my daughter sat that side because it's huge in here. It really is big. That goes back. Great seats. Got little charging ports down there. Anything I did notice here, you've probably got the electric going through, so they've got like a plate on top here. It's probably got the electric passing through under there. Huge boot, you got a cable, it's a charging port here, which gives it 46 miles, electric only, or a combined of 282 miles. I mean, come on. You see my other videos, you'll see I've got a RAV4. I've got the Dynamic normal hybrid, not this is the plug-in hybrid. So mine's a slight bit slower than this, but even mine's quick. So with the sports wheels, with the sports suspension, these do handle a lot better than mine. I mean, see, mine's still all right, but these are incredible on the road. Like mine, these do have a little bit of a regen howl when you go under 15 mile an hour. I think it's more apparent in reverse, actually. Yeah, can you hear that now? You probably can. Got like a whoo. Your neighbours can hear you coming when you start going slow outside your house. It does give off a bit of a whistly howl, but you can forgive it. These do drive very nice, very smooth. Steering wheel's nice, all very, you can probably hear me very clearly because it's all very quiet in here, and obviously these are rocket ship fast. Also has a heads up display, not sure if you can see that, you can just about make it out. Probably mentioned in my other videos, not a great fan of heads up display. I don't really see much point of it, but It's got one. Oh, look at that, that does look good, doesn't it? That's why I thought, you know what, I'll show you what it looks like in the purple. Look at the size of that, 282 miles per gallon. Why would you go full EV? There's no 282 miles per gallon. There's no reason to go full EV, is there? I'm ranting now, aren't I? I tell you what, I'm not really a big fan of this. A big badge on the wing saying plug-in hybrid. If that was me, I'd probably take that off. I mean, come on, that's a few too many, isn't it? Let's have a look at the clock set. Clock sets have slightly changed, but not a great deal. Charging port, I've left the charging port lid open. Done 7 miles, this one's brand new. Heated seats down here, as standard. Let's set this up. So we'll go through, we are English. We won't link it now. We'll go continue. Let's not agree for that. We won't enable the audio. So let's pop her into reverse because it's got a really nice reversing camera on this with 360. In fact, let me show you. We'll put that back. You can get a 360 view. Let me do that. Down here, I've showed you it before. If you've not seen the video, there's a 360 button right here. So when you press it before you pull away, look, it makes your car invisible and you can see all around your car so you don't have to get out and check to make sure you're not going to drive over anything when you drive off, which is pretty cool. It's a bit of an upgrade. Mine's got a very, very similar. My car doesn't go quite so, like then it brings the car back. See, my car looks like that. On my 360, it's always, you see the car, not the sort of like invisible image. So that's pretty cool. So usually that spin, I think we can change. Can we change that? Oh yeah, look, you can change. Look, you learn something new every day. You can change it so it's slightly slanted. That's pretty cool. So you can definitely see, you make sure. Let's press it again, see what happens. Oh, you can go back to that. So you can keep it on invisible, above. I'm just playing now, aren't I? Boys with toys, boys with toys. Mentioned it before, mine's got the old school lights, which have got like a halo around. Do I like them? I'm not sure. Not sure. I do like with it all blacked out though. I think that's really nice. So one last little look around. This Obsidian blue Toyota RAV4 GR Sport. So would you rather have this colour? It's quite nice, isn't it? And it's on the free palette of colours, so what's not to like? If you found that video helpful, please do give it a like. It will help my channel immensely, and I will see you again soon on another thing that I look at or I go to, because you'll see on my channel, I go to motorsport, I go to aviation shows, I do a little bit in between. Going to Dubai next month, actually. Come and join me on that journey. I'll take you to Dubai. I'm staying at the Atlantis. I do like the Atlantis. You'll see my videos. I've been there before. It is great. I'll take you with me if you want 4K. Come to Atlantis next month with me. I'll see you there.